Here we're asked to solve a linear equation. Let's begin by subtracting 1/2 on both sides. Now here on the left side, we'll just be left with 2/3 x equals, now negative 5/6 minus 1/2 requires a common denominator, which in this case is 6. We'll multiply numerator and denominator here by 3, and that leaves us with negative 5 minus 3, or negative 8/6. Now at this point, we see a coefficient of 2/3. So we choose to multiply both sides by 3/2. It's reciprocal. That'll leave us with 1x equals, in this case, negative 24/12. Reducing, we have our solution, x equals negative 2.